Hello YouTube, Chachi takes back. In today's video is about a very helpful video. So stay tuned until the end of the video, which is how we're gonna boost or speed up our Windows 10 operating system. For this video, I have 10 tips and I have one extra additional tip finally, so it will be 11 tips. So stay tuned until the end of the video if you want to get all the 11 tips that will help you to boost up the speed of your computer or operating system Windows 10. So the first one is for this video will be disk cleanup. As you can see here, disk cleanup. There is option on your computer that you can use a disk cleanup on your computer. So we will go to our search box on our computer here and we will type here disk clean up. As you can see here, disk cleanup here available. So we'll click on the disk cleanup, and on the disk cleanup it will show us select the driver you want to clean up. So in my computer I have two drivers, C and D. So you can select your driver lists and you can clean up your computer unnecessary files, because unnecessary files can make your computer busy and can decrease or degrade the speed of your computer. So I will click OK and it will give me some time. And here it is showing me different you can use disk cleanup to free up 12.8 GB of disk space, which is 12.8 GB of disk space is used by unnecessary files. Here you can check temporary internet files and some other recycle bin files. Temporary files are available. So I will check the boxes here and remove all these unnecessary files by clicking OK. So are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, I want to delete these files. You can check the files because if these files are necessary, you should have to stop cleaning those files if you find which is significant file. So you should have to cross check these things before you start cleaning your disk. So the first step is clean your disk and you will get a better performance from your computer. Okay, the second solution is high performance mode, making your computer into high performance mode. So Windows 10 have an option called high performance mode on the power options mode. Here we will type power option. Type power option on the search box here, and you can find here power and sleep setting. So on power and sleep setting, you will go to change additional power setting. Here on your computer, you'll select additional power setting. Then after you click additional power setting, here you have different two options, which is balanced and custom setup. So to make a high performance to select the high performance mode, you will go to create a power plan. So after you select a power plan, there is a balanced, which is, as it says, automatically balances performance energy consumption on capable hardware, which is the balance that I selected here. You can make high performance or a power saver. High performance favors performance but may use more energy. It may have an impact on your battery, but it will give you a high performance computer when you select this high performance option and when you approve and make a save to your computer. So selecting high performance mode will make your computer speed much better than the other options, or the balanced or the power save mode. The other one which makes your computer slow is the startup apps or the task manager functions, task manager functions. So to check this functions, what you will do is right click on the taskbar here and select task manager. So when you select the task manager here, you will have certain lists of apps that are used right now by your computer. So if you have plenty of apps that are using currently, it will make your computer slow. So you should have to close those apps which are running or which you are not using currently. So here I have different apps, for example Microsoft Edge, which is I'm not using, so I can click in the screen. So it will optimize, or it will make my computer more faster than the previous moments, because it will clean the CPU usage of the Microsoft Edge. So if you want a more detailed explanation about these apps, you can see, for example, Microsoft Screen Magnifier. It's using 0.2% of the CPU, memory 21 megabyte. You can maximize and see other options, and you can stop these things, which is these are apps, these are background process. You can stop the background process, but you should have to aware what things are. You should not have to make your computer, you should not have to disturb your computer while you stop these functions from your computer. So you can stop basically the apps of your computer. So you can click maybe if I don't want, for example, this is Windows Explorer, I can disable it or I can remove it from my computer. The other one is startup apps. Startup apps are when your computer starts up, they will automatically start by your computer. So these things will consume the RAM and the CPU of your computer. So you should have to stop or disable these apps. For example, here I have Thing, which is I don't want it to be used when my computer starts up, so I will disable it. So it will completely stops until I allow it by getting here, and I will until I click the enable option. So this startups and task managers will help you to optimize the speed of your computer. So you should have to use the task manager in order to close apps that are running simultaneously which you are not using. So you should have to close on task manager, and as well as you can disable startup apps if you are not using no longer. The other option is updating Windows. So you can go to update, which is, as you can see here, update, which is check for updates. So I will click check for updates on Windows. Check for update. Yes, it opened here complete directly to the Windows update. As you can see here, you are up to date. So you should have to check updates. If Microsoft always produce or make available updates to your computer, so those updates may make your computer more faster, and it will help you to get better results from your computer. So check whether your Windows is updated or not. The other one will be uninstalling apps which you are not using currently, or some softwares may be installed without your without knowing that those softwares are on your computer. So you can go to your computer and type add or remove. Add or remove. So when you click add or remove, here it will show you add or remove with the system setting option, and you will have this options of different apps. So here I have 70 different apps are found on my computer. So if you have applications that you don't want anymore, you can click here and you can uninstall and remove from your computer, because when you have different softwares on your computer or apps on your computer, it will take your storage space, your RAM, and they may run on background or startups or on task manager, and it will make your computer slow. So to optimize or to speed up your computer's performance, you should have to remove this unnecessary programs and features. Okay, here the sixth solution in order to make our computers or Windows 10 speed up is turning off gaming mode, which is when these modes are on, it will make your computer busy. It will consume the CPU or the RAM allocated memory, so it will make your computers more busy. So how can we turn off this gaming mode? We can type here on our search box, type gaming mode. So here sorry, I made a mistake. I think gaming, yes, gaming mode here, gaming mode setting here available. So under the gaming mode, you should have to turn off this one, because when it is on, it will use actively the CPU or the RAM allocated spaces, and as well as Xbox game bar functionalities. You should have to turn it off. If you are not using it on that given time, you should have to turn off this settings, and it will make a better it will give you a better speed to your computer. So turn off the Xbox game bar, the game modes, because it will consume or it will share the CPU allocated or the RAM allocated spaces, so it will make your computer more slower. So please turn off the gaming mode, which is the sixth solution. The other one is delivery optimization. So delivery optimization is related with when your computer is not connected with the internet, and if it is connected with other computers through LAN or different methods, it will update other computers, which is one of the features of Windows 10. So it's found on updates and security. So you can click here the Windows and click on settings. Okay, sorry, home. You will go to the home and you can find update and security. So on update and security, here we have delivery optimization. So to give you a more clear understanding, delivery optimization provide you with Windows and Store apps update and other Microsoft products quickly and reliably. So allow download from other PCs. When your computer is turned on, it will update other computer when it have more updated Windows features than the other peer computer that's connected with your computer. So you should have to turn off if you are not using this delivery optimization. Then it will help you to function, to have a more reliable, optimized and high performance computer. So turn off this delivery optimization and get a better speed from your computer. The other one is free up storage space, which is similar with disk cleanup, but it will help you to give your computer a privilege to clean your unnecessary data on some specific fixed time. So you can free up the storage space by opening the storage settings. So we will type here storage settings, right? Storage settings here, as you can see, storage settings, and on the storage settings here you can see apps and features, which is the conception, which this is how your storage is used and how you can free up spaces. You can open here, you can delete files by clicking temporary files, pictures that you have. As you can see here, 1.8 GB pictures are available. You can view pictures, you can select and you can remove from your computer, and you can turn on, which is a storage sense. You can configure, which is configuring storage sense. Here, as you can see here, temporary files can be deleted with a specific duration, which is here we have 30 days. You can give 60 days. You can define the number of days those temporary files will be available on your computer. But after those days, they will be removed. So it will give you a more better speed to your computer because your storage space are cleaned on time. Your computer will do those functions, so you will have a more you will have a better speed. You will get a better speed from your computer. And also on this storage setting, there are also optimize drive or manage storage spaces option. So when you click optimize drives. So when you click optimize drives, it will upgrade your hard disk drive optimization. So you can optimize your drives to help your computer run more efficiently. So don't forget to optimize your computer. If it is a hard disk drive, if it is a solid state drive, you should not have to optimize it. It have a much better optimization than hard disk drives. So click the drive and optimize it, so it will analyze, and also the new volume D, I will optimize it, so it will optimize and it will run more efficiently than the previous moment. So it will upgrade and make it more effective. So optimize your computer hard drives, which is the number 8 solution to speed up your computer. The other one is system configuration. System configuration also will help you to speed up your computer. So type here system, okay, I think it's visible, system configuration, right? System configuration. So here it opens system configuration. So on the system configuration, here it opened the system configuration. So under the system configuration, go to the boot and open advanced option. Here, advanced option. So under advanced option, boot advanced option and number of processors. You should have to check this number of processors section or checkbox and give the highest number on your number of processor option, and it will help you to use the highest number of processor on your computer and make OK, which is save the changes. And you can also open the service section on this system configuration and hide all Microsoft services, because this Microsoft service helps your operating system to function healthily. If you should not hide this Microsoft services, and if you disable them, it will make your computer to function inappropriately. So hide all Microsoft services and select this unnecessary services that you don't want and disable them. By selecting this, you can disable their function from the service section, and it will help, or it will boost your computer to function effectively. So make an apply and save with OK and exit without restarting. But you should have to restart your computer in order to get in order to function the saved activities. The final, which is before the resetting your PC if it is not functioning well is performance option. So this performance option will help you to upgrade your computer by adjusting the performance of the Windows. So this one is adjust, type here adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. So open this section, and your computer will have a much better speed by editing this radio boxes, which is let Windows choose what base for my computer. You can let or you can adjust best performances by selecting this radio check, and you can check this lists for your computer, and you can select the whatever you want for your computer. So when you minimize all these things, when you select all these performance options, it will make your computer more effective rather than letting your Windows to select for you and make your computer more busy. So adjust for best performance by selecting only the functions that you want, and by applying and saving to your computers. So it will help you to function effectively. And the final one to speed up your computer's working ability is resetting. If you tried all the solutions and if you did all the necessary steps that I said earlier, and if it's not making your computer speed is fast, you will type here reset on your Windows search box, which is reset here. Then you will click on reset this PC. So here we found the reset this PC option. So you click here get started, which is to reset your computer, and it will provide you two options: keep my files and remove everything. So you can select whatever you want. You can keep your file and remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Then it will be clean and it will help you to work effectively because you need your files. But if you don't want your files, you can select remove everything, my personal files, apps and settings, and it will be a factory reset mode, and you will get a much better speed from your computer. So on today's video we have seen 10 or at least 11 different steps on how we can speed up our Windows 10 operating system and get a better from it. So if it is helpful, please comment me, give me thumb ups, subscribe my channel. Chachi is out.